A new week? It's upon us, and yes, it's me, James Sweeney, here in the place to be, the NYSE, and it is a Monday. But let's look at it this way. It's beautiful outside in New York City. The sun is shining. We're only 4 days removed from a holiday weekend. It's after 4 o'clock. The markets are closed, and guess what? It's time for happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they rallied Monday afternoon with the S&P 500 crossing the pivotal 2,000 mark, lifted by a series of corporate dealings and optimism that the ECB would make further moves to stimulate the European economy if needed. Yep, that's right, we turn to Europe today. But first, still holding ground was remarks by ECB President Mario Draghi at Jackson Hole last Friday, remarks that lifted expectations of additional policy easing on his assurances that the European Union is dedicated to keeping their markets healthy. On to today's lack of action here in the United States. Economic reports included data from the Commerce Department which showed sales of single-family homes fell for a second consecutive month during July, while a survey from financial data firm Market had the pace of growth in the nation's services sector declining for a second month in August. Both negative reports. But regardless, a series of corporate reports and Europe led the way for a market rise, where for every share falling, more than 2 rows right here at the New York Stock Exchange. So let's now take a look to see how the session came to an end. And lastly, on the corporate front, Burger King Worldwide, looking to be the king of donuts and the world as well. Or so it seems. This one reports that it's in talks to combine with Tim Hortons, the Canadian seller of coffee and donuts, and also the recent replacement for Dunkin' Donuts in Manhattan's Penn Station. That was a lot of noise about that one. Also, Switzerland's Roche Holding agreeing to acquire U.S. biotech company Intermune for roughly $8.3 billion in cash. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning for ModernWallStreet.com. I'm James Sweeney. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.